It's Pascal, my wife Joyce, and John here. We are upper on Session Road. We just leave the mall earlier. We did a video there that you will see already on my channel. But for now, we're going down from Session Road. I bought two big sand trucks for my son. He will play in the sand at home. But what I want to do now, is I will walk down Session Road and show you a bit how it is on Session Road. You will have a look. Let's see if I can film it, even if I carry two big bags like that. My wife has my son and a big bag also to carry. So, okay, let's go and see if we can do that. I will install myself a bit. I'll fix everything like that. Let's go. So, we're at the end of our day of shopping. We've been before at Burnham. We did a video there this morning. It will be on my channel also before that one. So Burnham, the mall, and now we're walking Session Road. So it's 3 videos in one day. I will post them maybe not on one day only, but spread. So this is how it is. Session Road going down, and it's maybe what, 4 p.m. 30. So yeah, crowded. Try to put my stick a bit up or wait a bit. Many people but walking. It's the hour. People are going back home. Dairy Queen. Many stores here. What we have here, plastic store. Sometimes there's stores for my son here. There was one. He liked to stop here and check. This is smaller trucks. He would like those also for sure. He's a truck boy. 7-Eleven here, so well placed. Always useful if you want to pick up something, even just a cold water. Kentucky. So you see Mr. Donut. It's like a Dunkin' Donut. They have a Dunkin' Donut on the other side also. So Kentucky. They have all the brand that you know in USA. You found them here. McDonald's is there. Funny, it's like it's very filled in front of me, but at least I have a space, a hole in front that stay like that. So we have a good space still, even if it's very crowded after that. Point and Grill here. There's a restaurant. I've been there. It's okay, but not one of my favorite, I will tell you. It's like you pay for an add-on like veggies, and it's very, very small. So no. Go to Good Taste. Good Taste is better. If you want veggies, you will have a lot, and it's good price, and you will always be satisfied. This one is good here. Okay, this one, you want a good meal, you can come here. Sizzling plate. I've been there 3 to 4 times maybe with my wife. I bring my father here before when he was on his trip. So, sizzling plates. Wait, I will show you how it looks like just from the entry. Very good restaurant. Come here, always well served, well welcome. Very good place. So this is one of the main on the Burnham. So we'll catch up my wife now. Always the phone stores, so they're popular here. We see hello. So there's many phone stores. Phones are for sure good seller in the Philippines. We're a good user here. Clothes. And then more toys for my son here. It's about the same toys that you see. It's repeat a bit for sure. What's happening? So again, more toys here. And you can enter here even. There is even more stores inside. We're crossing. Session Road will continue after that, on that way. Another place I come sometime, I buy here, this bake shop. See what they have. Do you like bake shop? Did you ever been in Philippines and try their bread? How you think about it? They have good bread, right? They have even ube bread. That's good. Let's continue. Very crowded. Here on the curve, going down, we have Rosemary Consumer Goods Trading. So I call them plastic store. There is like one on each side of Session Road. You can find a bit of everything here. Good place to be. I will let somebody want to enter. I will let the way. It's not easy to move for me now with the too big truck, but that's fine. Here we have some restaurants again. French line. McDonald's here. You can enter on the side. There is even more store. That's the thing with the Session Road. It's even bigger than it looked like because you can many times enter, and then it's like mini malls mostly. You have a series of stores that you have access to. Okay, I'm catching up my wife. She's at the light there. Back. Hey. Yes, I have your 2 cars. It's fine. I take good care of them. We bring them at home. We'll take a look here, we'll take a little slow down. On this side here, people cross a lot. Why? Malcolm is there. So it's another good place to stop, down Session Road. Take a pause at Malcolm, you sit there, then pick up a snack. Then we see the building in front down Session Road. It's one of the oldest buildings of Baguio, I guess. Maharlika, there's many stores there. So yeah, we're at down the Session Road. We're done. So Cheongsang is there. There's a KFC again. And the Ram. We'll take the Ram. We're going home. So this is how it is for today. My last video of the day. So thank you for watching, and I'll make more videos. So follow me, subscribe, and have more to show you. Bye bye.